Hello, and welcome to another video tutorial on how to use your mobile device to record a video announcement for your class. In this case, I'm going to use my iPhone 6. I'm going to record a video and then I'm going to upload that to my Moodle course, all from my iPhone 6. Again, my name is Greg Steinke. I'm a media specialist for the College of Continuing Education, and I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is right now I'm using my built-in camera app, just the one that comes with the iPhone 6. I'll show you that later on. And I switch it to video. A couple things with your video, you want to make sure that you have it on a sturdy platform. Right now I'm just kind of using a makeshift platform here with 3 rolls of gaff tape. Seems to be fine. You might have another way to prop up your iPhone, but you don't need to get a special stand or anything like that. Just use what you have around the house. And then I switch it to video. A couple things with the video: make sure you don't have a lot of headroom. Make sure you are not in front of a window because your camera is going to expose for the window and not yourself. And just a couple things about the camera, the front-facing camera, or this app on the iPhone 6 is you can tap and hold like on your face, and it's going to get the exposure lock, and then you can kind of bring down this sun icon and you can bring it up or down. I thought I was a little bit overexposed there, so I brought it down a little bit. Now the exposure is blocked in and you don't have to worry about it fluctuating. So that's great. Sound quality on the iPhone 6 and all the iOS devices are usually pretty good. You don't really need another microphone. Again, you do want to be in a semi-quiet environment. Now, if you do have the Apple earbuds, those are great, and I encourage you to get those. They should come with, I think they come with your iPhone. I'm not sure, but they're like 50 bucks. They do come with a built-in microphone, so that's nice. I'm using this headset to record this video tutorial, so I'm actually using this on my computer right now. But then when you're ready, you'd use a video announcement to talk to your class and say what's coming up in this module, what you expect students to do. Maybe you want to talk about what they did in previous modules and maybe praise their work or bring up some issues. And then also indicate, that there are some big projects coming on down the road and that they should be prepared for that. It's just a video check-in message. What it's really great for is students, they get to see and hear you more often. So it really ups the social presence in the course. A lot of times, online courses are very forum heavy. In this case, we can do a whole lot more with video and photos and with our mobile devices. So why not use them for that purpose? So now, let's say I'm ready to go. I can click record or tap record, and I'm recording now. And I would just say, I want to keep these videos down to maybe 3 minutes or under. Especially if you do one every week. Students, I don't think they're gonna want to watch something that's 15 minutes long. So try to keep these kind of short and concise. And again, just talk about the week, what you expect students to do. Make sure they pay attention to something here and there that maybe they've missed. Address any questions. And just know that this is something that students will probably watch part of it the first time, and then when they got all their study stuff ready and they're ready to do their homework, they'll give it another go. Okay, I'll stop recording. So in this next section of the video, I'm going to show you the app called YouTube Capture and how to use this app to upload your video to your course YouTube channel. And then after that, we will load the video from YouTube to your Moodle course. So the very first thing, you should search for YouTube Capture. It's developed by Google Inc. and it's just a wonderful app, and I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to choose open. And now this is where I need to sign in. I'll just tap on sign in. So it sees that I'm signed into my mail. It might not for you. You might have to go through the whole sign in, but I'm gonna choose myself there. And here we go. This section is really important. First, we need to choose our channel. So with CCE, College of Continuing Education, and ODL courses that we support, we have course YouTube channels. And that really allows myself and my other colleagues to help support faculty with media, organizing media, and adding links to courses and all that kind of fun stuff. So YouTube is great. YouTube allows us to easily, use our YouTube allows us to use our mobile devices and to organize our media, and it's great to work with. So, and for the channel I want to choose, I'm going to choose OES Media Tips. I'll select that. Then I have some tips here that I'm just going to scroll through. And all right, now you can use this app to record with as well, but I'm not going to do that. I use the built-in camera app for that purpose. With this app, I just use it to upload videos to YouTube, my course YouTube channel. So now on the bottom, I'm going to choose all videos. And you can see my topmost video there. That's the one I probably want to upload. You can see all my other camera roll videos, famification stuff. Before I upload it, I'm going to choose settings at the top right and make sure that that's set to OES Media Tips next to YouTube. If you were like, oh, I want to put this on a different channel, then you would select that option and click on or tap on Choose Channel, and this is where you can choose a different channel to send that video to. So that's really important. The most important reason why we're using this app versus other apps is one, it's built directly by YouTube and Google. Two, you can organize or you can choose your channel, your course YouTube channel, to upload to that channel and not your personal U of M YouTube channel. That's what we don't want to do for CCE courses. So you want to make sure that we're sending our videos to our course YouTube channel. So that's what you have to do there. So under recording, I keep landscape locked just because I'm not a huge fan of vertical video. Uploading, I can choose only upload on Wi-Fi. I'm going to keep the quality set to 720. That's fine. And then now I'm going to go back to videos. I'm going to select my video, and here it is. Now I'm not going to worry about editing or adding more clips. On the top right, I'm going to tap on the next button. All right, now here, this is where I get to name it. So I'll say mod 7. Actually, our naming conventions go like this: announcement, colon, and let's say module 7. Alright, so I'm done naming it. I'll hit done. I'm not quite done with the settings yet. I don't want this to be public. Instead, I'm going to tap on that option and I'm going to choose unlisted. Unlisted means basically what it says: anyone with the link can view it. But it's not searchable. People won't be able to find it unless they have the link to it. So that's the option we use 99% of the time. So please use that option. All right, so now I'm done. I have my title, set it to unlisted, and that's pretty much all I needed to do. And then I'll tap on upload. So now it is uploading. It might take a little bit of time here. I'm at the U, so the U's network is pretty fast, and it shouldn't take too much longer here to get this done. Okay, it looks like it finished. So now I can tap on my video and it gives me a link right to the video. So I'll tap on the link and I'll select copy to clipboard. I don't need to watch it right now. I know it's up on YouTube, my course YouTube channel. What I want to do is copy it and then add it to my course. So now in this next section, we're going to open up Safari. I have mine down at the bottom here, so I'll choose Safari. And I usually go AY15. here I'll do this, AY, so this option here, ay15.moodle.umn.edu. That's what I use all the time to log in. All right, now I need to get to my course. So for me, since I'm associated with many courses, I just search for the course that I want to jump into. There we go. There it is. All right. I want to turn editing on, and I'm sure most of you have used Moodle, added maybe links and stuff. So here are some of my earlier attempts, and they worked fine. Everything on the iPhone and the process worked fine. The only problem I was having was with the recording software recording the screen of my iPhone. So here's attempt number 5, I think. All right, so now when we get to the module where we want to add this video, we'll tap on Add an Activity or Resource. And then we'll kind of scroll almost all the way to the bottom, and we'll choose Label. And I'm choosing Label because I think you're going to like it over the URL option. URL is right down there at the very bottom, but I'm choosing Label instead. And what Label does, it really kind of shows things visually to your course site. So instead of a link to your video, which would lead students to YouTube to watch the video, we're going to embed the video directly in Moodle. So they don't have to go anywhere else. They watch it right there in Moodle. And to do that, I'm just going to tap in the description area in the label, tap again, and then hit paste. So I pasted the link. Now I'll tap within the link twice, and I will select all. Okay, now that I have it selected, I'll tap on the link button, and it might look like, oh, what's going on? Well, what's going on is this is a small pop-up window, so you have to kind of scroll up and enter a URL. I'm just going to paste the link again. I'm just going to tap in the field, and this paste option comes up. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to choose Open in New Window. I just do that for every single link I use in Moodle. And then I'm going to create link. All right, we're not quite done. What we've done is we've essentially created a link in the description area. So I pasted the link, I selected the text of the link, then I hit the link button, pasted the link in there again, and hit create link. I'm going to save and return to course. And now, down below here, we should see the video. There it is. Now, the reason it's not showing up as great, here, I'm going to turn editing off, and then we should get rid of some of those buttons, so it should show up a little bit better. So now it shows up pretty good. Still not the greatest. Moodle is not quite 100% mobile friendly, but what it does, it basically opens up and plays it directly within the course. So that's nice. So I use a label most of the time for video announcements, and I encourage you to do the same. That's how to record a video announcement with your iPhone. If you have any questions on this tutorial, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I can connect with you, and we'll get you up and running recording videos for your class. Okay, thank you.